So, how's everyone doing? Thank you for watching. I just want to quickly run through the last week's trading week as a whole and sort of run down what actually happened and what we could see going into next week. So, this lovely downward trend from the highs at 4.9 on the Friday previous week to the was about here was the Monday open. So if we just pop a vertical line here, so that's the week open. As you can see, price did carry on its little journey to the downside, breaking the lows here, as you can see, and then going down to the new lows at on Wednesday. This is a 1 hour chart to the just above the 4-5 whole number, which is good to see a whole number get reacted like that. If we go to the smaller time frame, so we got the 15-minute time frame here. As you can see, price during the Asian session Monday, pretty much the whole of Monday, was consolidating between these two levels. If we pop that there, as you can see here, it was ranging for a day and a half, and then it reacted quite aggressively, like it always does on a range. When gold ranges, it does come out of that range, whether it's high or low, quite aggressively, which is quite predictable now. I've done that a few times, and the session in question was the Tokyo session. So as you can see here, on the Tuesday morning, it was consolidating through the Monday, and the consolidation broke during the Asia session, and then price started going down from just pre-UK market open, and then pretty much going into the next day. On the Wednesday, it made the lows of just above 4.5, which is a nice key whole number, as I said before. And since then, it's literally been ranging again, to be honest, all the way from this low of 4.510, 4.509, all the way back up to 4.660. So we are in another range. We could see, if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we should expect to see some sort of aggressive move once it breaks out of this range, whether it's going to be above the 4.660 level or back below the 4.5. Not too sure what's going to happen at the moment. However, if it does break above, then this is going to be our first level of interest, back at the 4.7 number, or just over the 4.7 whole number. And on the downside, we look to go back to the break through the 4.5. If we just expand that a little bit, so it includes the 4.5 whole number in there. If we see a break below there, we should then start to see another pullback down to the 4.4 whole number. So consolidation pretty much all the last week. You could have traded, we did trade this in our group. We were trading the lows, buying at the lows. These mid levels as well were quite good support and resistance. If you can see here, that's a lovely little level there. Bear in mind, this is a 30-minute time frame. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see here it's quite a nice level here. So we got support, then a resistance, then a bit of both. This was Thursday. This is where a lot of people were trying to sell gold. I saw online and stuff. Our levels obviously are different to this each day because we work on a 5-minute time frame, but I didn't trade at all this one. However, it did break above it quite aggressively, and it did retest it again here. We had this level here as a fantastic buy zone for our group, and a lot of people actually traded that as well. So that was quite refreshing to see, and we had a few sales and buys once it broke below the 4.6 whole number. We had some really good sales as well. So overall, a very profitable week for us in gold. Like I said, we need to wait Obviously, the UK markets are going to be shut because of bank holiday, so we need to sit and wait on that one. But I think we will probably see a break above this range going into sort of Tuesday, Wednesday. Which direction? Not too sure. Depends what news comes out with Trump in that. If we see a more of a ceasefire again, we might see the price drop below the 4.5. It has to retest it before we go short though. Like I tell my team, once it breaks below it, retest, a nice candle to retest and fail, and then look to go short. So all in all, pretty good week for gold for us. Going into next week, not too sure. We'll monitor the Sunday Open and then go from there. But hope everyone had a good week trading gold. That's just a real quick snapshot of what happened and what we were looking at and what we're looking at going forward. Hope it was of interest. If you want to join our group, then please let me know. Info at the FX Initiative. I'll put the link in the email in the description, and also the link to my TikTok as well, so you can DM me on TikTok, and also I'll put the website down there as well. Get you signed up. It's only £99 a month. You get all this analysis sent out every day before the UK session open. It gives you an example here of what I just done as of typing Sunday. This is the sort of stuff you'll get sent out to you every day. So it is very helpful. Some people have made a lot of money who's in my group on this. So you want to take advantage of it, let me know. And have a good week in the markets coming up. Thank you.